In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Substack content, whether you're a devoted reader or an aspiring writer. Substack is a platform where writers can publish newsletters directly to their audience, and you can access a variety of content right at your fingertips. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, if you're a reader, begin by heading over to www.substack.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the page, you'll find a search bar at your disposal. You can scroll through various topics that interest you, or directly search for specific newsletters by name. This feature allows you to efficiently find newsletters tailored to your interests, bridging the gap between you and writers worldwide. Once you find a newsletter that catches your eye, click on it. Doing so will unveil the newsletter's public post and a brief description, giving you a taste of the content. This step is especially helpful for readers who want to explore a writer's style and subject matter before diving deeper. Another convenient way to stay updated is to subscribe to your favorite newsletters. By subscribing, each new post will seamlessly appear in your email inbox. It's that simple. However, if you prefer not to receive emails, you can tweak your notification settings at any time. For those on-the-go readers, the Substack app offers a mobile-friendly option. To take advantage of this, download the Substack app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once installed, log in and you'll be greeted with a personalized feed showcasing all the newsletters you're subscribed to. This feature keeps everything organized and allows you to access content whenever and wherever you want. Now, if you're viewing Substack from a writer's perspective, the process is equally straightforward. Start by navigating to substack.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right of your screen. Here you'll find the dashboard drop-down menu. Click on it and then choose the publication you wish to manage. After selecting your publication, you'll land on your dashboard, your command center if you will. The dashboard is the hub for managing every aspect of your newsletter. It's where you can access your posts, drafts, subscriber information, and even your statistics. This feature enables you to stay organized and efficiently manage your publications, giving you a clear overview of your writing journey. So there you have it, a detailed look into viewing Substack whether you're a reader or a writer. With these steps you can easily explore and manage the world of newsletters on Substack. Whether you're seeking inspiration or looking to share your own voice, Substack provides a seamless platform to connect with a global audience. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to explore what Substack has to offer, and happy reading or writing.